Oh guys, this ride started in a very bad way. I forgotten my luggage. So far so good. We have covered around 170 kilometers from.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I
The day has come, and today we are going to Coorg. So we four bikers are going today. So our plan is to first पहले हम लोग सकलेशपुर जाएंगे, then we'll cover all the places of सकलेशपुर. After that we'll go to Coorg, and then next day means tomorrow Saturday we'll cover all the place of Coorg, and Sunday we'll do checkout. So guys, this ride started in a very bad way. I forgotten my luggage, so I had to go back to my PG from this toll. So it was total 36 kilometer, and I went to my PG, I took my bag and I came back. So we have reached near this Lankud Devi toll, and we have covered around 120 kilometer till now. So Kishore,
Yeah, buddy.
this guy was saying he will ride slow. He was riding 110, 120, right Rakesh?
Yeah, fuck man, plain road. We have to go with.
So Kishore is coming for the first time to this Hassan highway, right? So far so good. We have covered around 170 kilometers from our home. I mean from Bangalore, and look at this view. Wow. So we are very near to Hassan. We are in Hassan, and my petrol has been gone down. Azhar is riding NS 200. We had a small break for petrol filling. Or sunrise is so beautiful. I think it's hidden behind the trees. So now it's 71 kilometer from here, and our first stop is सकलेश्वर टेम्पल. सो दिन का शुरुआत टेम्पल के साथ. It is 32 kilometer from here, and I can feel the vibe because I can see mountains with windmills. Means Hassan is back. Means we are near to Coorg, Chikmagalur, everything. किसी और ही वादियों में आ गए हम तो. वाह. So we are just 30 or 40 kilometer back from सकलेशपुर, and सोचा कि आपको ये दिखा दूँ ये नज़ारा. आपके राइट साइड में भी पेड़, लेफ्ट साइड में भी पेड़, लेकिन क्या लग रहा है यार. हाँ, one thing also I wanted to tell that once we leave it about we. Once we are riding gears, right, full gears, I am having riding jacket, riding gloves, riding pant, riding shoe. So I'll get different level of boost. You can say immunity boost, riding boost, energy boost, whatever you can say. But I'll get next level of boost just because of this riding gear. So we are just cruising at 77-80. Wow, sweet cruising. We are so happy, and no adrenaline rush. Wow, these Ghat routes are awesome. Sakleshpur is green, green, green. It's like Ooty Coorg. I was not knowing this. It feels like Ooty. और यहाँ पर लीन गेम चालू है सबका. All the cornering started. My God, look at these corners. I love these corners. My God, what is this yaar? कॉर्नरिंग का गेम चालू है सबका. Now I am entering to Manjarabad Fort. Oh my God, what is this? Roads are narrow, inclined, and bad roads. So finally we have reached to Manjarabad Fort. So this is the fort entrance. So we'll go up, we'll enjoy, we'll come back. And it's very difficult to vlog yaar. One hand helmet, how will I vlog it?
Oh, where is the chicks?
So our Rakesh is asking where is the
Chicks.
Yes bro, what you are asking?
Only aunties are coming. Hey, you should have keep this thing in your bag, na? While going, you wear it, man, for some time.
Guys,
This one.
we thought the stairs will be less, but it's a kind of a stairs trekking and we are like lost.
Not lost. Fucked up.
No, we are lost, means for our health. So Azhar, and thanks to Kishore, he just holded my helmet for 5 minutes so that I can vlog. So this is ancient fort and timing is 8 AM to 5 PM.
Never see this type of road is good in my life.
Wow, fort looks good. Wow, this looks good.
What is this spot name?
Manjarabad Fort. Wow, look at this fort.
Doing good, very good.
Wow.
You move that. These are only security purpose.
Yes, fort is just security purpose.
And crocodile and all they will keep down there now to avoid coming inside.
Wow. So this is the fort, and this place is good, right? It's peaceful, right? Even sunlight is there, right? But you can feel the peace, right? Rakesh,
Yes, Satyajit.
come in the camera.
Yes.
So we are done with our Manjarabad fort visit, and we came to this hotel picnic. So this hotel is just beside of this Manjarabad fort. So we ordered onion dosa, plain dosa, 2 plate idli, right?
Idli vada.
Idli vada. How is it?
Really nice.
No, but other reaction is not good.
What do you want, buddy?
Taste this, buddy.
So guys, food review. Plain dosa is not good.
Idli vada is too good.
Idli vada is good. Hey,
Proper.
you guys, what is wrong with you guys?
Not the proper onion dosa.
This is not a proper.
What is wrong with you?
This is not the onion dosa what I have seen.
Yes, me too.
But taste is